Okay, so we're gonna do 2 just regular steps, and then the last one do whatever the hell you want. Step on the left leg though.
So we've got a rope and left leg.
Yeah. Gotta catch the rope left leg.
Okay, here.
Oh, you suck. I missed it bad as it.
I think I'm gonna go over there.
You baked tomatoes?
You know why?
Inside our heads we're so far away, and you take me to some other place when you hold me, and you are living proof. Some
Pepper, I love you. When I say I love you more, I'm not saying that I love you more than you love me. I'm saying that I love you more than anything else in my life. Cyanne, I met you on November 19, 2022. The day forever burned into my mind. The day I met the piece of me that has always been missing. We have shared and been through so many things in our time together. There are so many memories that I would love to talk to you about or include, but I don't think we have that much time. Babe, it hasn't always been easy, but one thing that we have stayed true is the love that we have had for each other. Babe, I promise to love you. I promise to care for you with a gentle hand. I promise to have patience and understanding and give grace every day. I promise to love you the way you need to be loved and be the best husband I can be for you. Pepper, I can't promise you the moon and stars, but I will try to rope the moon for you day in and day out.
I can see you dancing in the glow of the lights. Brown curls brush your shoulders. Floor's cleared. The song may be over, but you're still in the moment. And I get to hold you. You don't need a man to lead. So when I go with 2 left feet, get you to fall for me. Can't believe I get to be your biggest fan. Believe you can't love you because you're free. This is your show, I just have a front row seat. You climbed into the Chevy I built from the ground. First time I gave up my keys.
I love you too. I am so proud right now. Cyanne's perfect woman.
Yep,
She is.
It'll be a good day.
Yes. Most definitely.
They're so beautiful.
Me.
And you're so beautiful.
Look at you.
I try a lot.
This one.
Right, you're not my friend. I get my rib.
I just have a front row seat. Yeah, I just have a front row seat. Yeah. From wherever we're sitting, back roads to at-home kitchens.
Look, I'm saying my Nike frog. Come on. Don't cry.
Thank you for John.
I'm sure you appreciate your
So how'd it go into left feet get you to fall for me? Can't believe that I get to be your biggest family. You can't love you because you're free.
I love you.
Like tears, or that's it.
Mm-hmm.
I just have a front row seat.
That's tears of joy. Isn't it?
Very much so.
Yeah.
What about you? Got your joystick breathing?
Yeah. Now.
I just have a front row seat.
The first time I saw you, I just knew you're the person my heart has been craving all these years. Your meeting made me realize that I'm allowed to love deeply. I'm allowed to receive respect and take up a space in someone's life. You truly made me realize I deserved happiness too. I'm more in the version of myself that lacked this knowledge, but thank them for sticking around long enough that I found you. You've changed me, and I'll spend the rest of my life trying to thank you for that.
Nothing prepared me for.
This is my promise to you. I choose you, and I will choose you over and over without a doubt. In a heartbeat, I will keep choosing you. I promise to be your anchor in the times of uncertainty, your shelter in the midst of life's storms, and your constant source of love and comfort. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone, though you already walk with the Lord. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home. With you, I've learned that love is not just a feeling, it's a choice, it's a commitment. And today I choose to love you always. Not just for who you are today, but for all that you will become. I love you, I love you, I love you. You're Pepper.
I've probably been midnight chasing, couple mistakes down, feeling like I'm always racing, heading nowhere bound. Girl, you saw me through the rough. And if I never felt your love, I wouldn't be a wildfire with a lightless flame. Wouldn't be a born to run that finally wants to stay. Wouldn't know this heart I have could hold someone and not hold back. There's a lot of me I wouldn't be without you.
As kids, it was always fun and games, but as we grew older, Jeremiah started cutting his own path. They proved to be caring and loyal, with a pretty good sense of humor. Our little misadventures as kids might not have always turned out the greatest, but they sure as hell paved the way for a man I am incredibly proud to call my brother. Jeremiah and Cyanne's relationship has taught us all a thing or two about love. There's no doubt in my mind that what they have is rock solid. As you grow older, and I do mean much older, I hope you're able to tell your kids and grandkids a million stories of love, laughter. On behalf of the Polito family, I want to welcome Cyanne into our crazy fold of a family. I know if anybody can handle that, it's you. So let's toast to Cyanne, Jeremiah. Let your love story be full of laughter and filled with joy and last a lifetime.
Wouldn't be a wildfire with a lightless flame. Wouldn't be a born to run that finally wants to stay.
Cyanne, I have no idea what I would do without you. You'll always be home to me. I'm a better person for knowing you, and I know everybody here feels the same way. Thank you so much for showing me how to be a West Texas girl. I'm so happy you all found each other, and I'm so glad to be able to be a part of it. Congratulations. too.